Hello everyone, it is Noelle Russell. Welcome to the group, welcome to Prep Week. I just wanted to hop in here and share my thoughts about what I want you to focus on this week. First of all, I apologize, I'm not totally polished and put together. It is Monday. I like to do makeup-free Monday when I can to just give my skin a chance to breathe. So I'm kind of in my cozy stuff with my cute little hat on today. Anyways, so it's prep week and I just wanted to share my thoughts if you are new to one of my groups. I always like to start my groups with a prep week because I don't want new people to feel overwhelmed. What I want you to get into your head is this mindset of this is a marathon, not a sprint. So what I commonly see is people that are really excited to join a group, they're excited to make changes, they revamp all this stuff with their eating and add in workouts, and all of a sudden a week or two into it when they're feeling sore and deprived and they're giving up all their favorite things, their willpower muscle gets totally fatigued and they get overwhelmed and quit. I do not want that happen to you, okay? So how do we avoid that? We start off small. All right, so this week I'm gonna be posting some prep information, things to go through. It's gonna be information and videos. Don't be overwhelmed, go through it as you can. This group is set up into units, kind of like the chapters of a book, so you can go back and catch up whenever you need to. Here's what I want you to start with today. If you want to lose weight in a healthy, sustainable way, if you want to maintain weight in a healthy, sustainable way, without feeling miserable, without feeling deprived, there are some fundamental little tweaks to your day that can really help without feeling like you have to diet, without feeling like you have to give up all your favorite foods. So we're gonna work on what I would like to call bookending our days. All right, so starting this week, I want you first thing, get up first thing in the morning, go to the bathroom, take your clothes off and weigh in, okay? You wanna be consistent with your daily weigh-in, so usually I will just take off my PJs and weigh myself in my undies so it's consistent. But that first thing. Then the next thing I want you to do is drink a cup of water. So like 8 to 10 ounces of water. This is a habit I started years ago. It's a great thing for just waking up your metabolism, just kind of starting to get things going in your system. It's great for your skin. It's just great for rehydrating. So 8 to 10 ounces of water before anything else. Chug it first thing in the morning. So for me, I get up, weigh myself, brush my teeth, go down to the kitchen, drink my water, and then I start my whole morning routine before my workout, okay? So that's number 2. Then number 3 is track everything you're eating and drinking, okay? The To Be Mindset Tracker is great. You can use this book or you can use the printed out digital copies or you can use the app in your phone. Whatever it is, I want you to commit to tracking everything you're eating and drinking. I'm not asking you to change your diet overnight here. What I want you to focus on is just tracking what you're doing. This week will give you a baseline and kind of show you what you're doing now and kind of highlight where you want to improve. But we're gonna get into that daily habit of tracking everything we're doing because that makes you so much more mindful of what you're doing when you're writing it all down, okay? Next thing, super simple. And what I found is the things that are easy to do are just as easy not to do. Okay, so we're gonna focus on drinking water. Some of you might be used to drinking a lot of water, and my goal for you is half your body weight in ounces. So if you weigh 160 pounds, you would be aiming for 80 ounces of water, is kind of a general goal. If you are not a big water drinker right now, that can seem kind of insane. Okay, like how am I gonna drink 80 ounces of water? I hear that a lot, right? What I want you to focus on is think back to yesterday. How much water did you drink? And try to beat that. So say if yesterday you had no water at all, you were drinking other things like coffee or soda or juice or whatever, like you didn't have any plain water at all. Today, try to beat that. So maybe today you have 1 big cup of water. Then tomorrow, try to beat that. Then the day after that, try to beat that. So every day, try to increase your water consumption until you're getting that recommended 8 to 10 cups a day, okay? That is huge for weight loss, drinking a ton of water, for so many reasons that we'll go into. But easy thing to do that is not cutting out your favorite foods, that is not dieting, that is not feeling deprived, is just upping your water intake, okay? Next thing is I highly suggest trying to start with Shakeology every day. It's going to give your body a big dose of nutrients, so it's going to satisfy your body on the micro level. And it also is kind of like a healthy treat, you know, for me to have the chocolate or the cafe latte. It's a nice treat where I feel like I still get something sweet every day, but I'm staying on track with my goals. So that's something simple to do to add into your routine. And if you're new to Shakeology, your goal for this week and next is just to experiment with recipes. It might take you a while to tweak the recipe to find how you like it best. And then the next simple thing, how we're gonna bookend the end of our day, is to shoot for dinner and done. Okay, so once you have dinner, close up the kitchen, wash up the dishes, no snacking, no drinking anything but water or tea after dinner. That is really helpful for going to bed and not, if you're snacking late at night, it's really easy for your body to store that as extra fat when you're sleeping. So we're gonna work to break that habit, which for me is the hardest thing to work on. But that is a simple thing you can do that will definitely impact weight loss and weight maintenance, is to not snack after dinner, okay? And then the last thing is sleep. So you always hear the goal is 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. I really want you to work on sleep as well, because that has a huge impact. The next day, if you are not getting enough sleep, your body is going to crave carbs and sugar for energy the next day, typically in late afternoon or late evening. So if you want to make it easier to stick to healthy foods, I really want you to focus on lots of water and getting more sleep. Okay, those are some simple things to do that I have seen for myself, for clients, for my husband, that all of a sudden when you start slacking on sleep, when you start snacking after dinner, you easily go into that bloating, retaining water, and gaining weight. So those are simple things we're gonna work on. So this video is longer than I intended it to be, just because I'm excited to share with you. I'm excited for you to learn. I'm excited for you to make changes in the positive direction and have a positive transformation this year. So I'm so glad you're here, and I can't wait to get you started. Don't be overwhelmed, be excited. It's going to be a really fun journey together. So I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to chatting with you more this week. See ya.